Something that's pretty cool to have on game night is a bicycle automatic card shuffler. We just keep it in the box all the time to keep it nice, and it comes right out. Couldn't be easier. Push down to operate. Take a couple of decks of cards, put them on both sides, push the button. Nice and easy. It makes some noise, but you don't have to worry about anybody worrying about any kind of sleight of hand. Or if you've got dexterity issues, you just don't want to have to deal with it. It's easy enough to, any standard size cards, easiest pushing the button. Plus you can kind of watch it happen up here, so anybody who's a fan of machinery and clever devices is going to really dig this thing. It's a great gift idea. It's well made. It's going to last you a long time. It uses one 9-volt battery. Looks pretty cool too. Actually, let's do it one more time so you can see it happening through the front there. Pretty cool. Hope this helps.